Little learners, can you say hello? Welcome back to our fun learning video. Today, we are going to learn sight words. Sight words are special words that we see and read again and again in books. When we learn sight words, it helps us read faster, read better, and understand stories more easily. Are you ready to learn with me? Great job! Children, let's look, listen, and say the words together and have fun. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's sight word is come. Let's say it together, children. Come. Again, come. Great job. The word come means to move closer. Children, listen to this sentence. Come and play with me. Can you say it with me? Come and play with me. Awesome. Let's do a fun activity. When you hear the word come, please walk closer to the screen and give it a big smile. Ready? Come. Yay! Great job. The word is come. Is just. Can you say it together? Just. One more time. Just. Amazing job. Children, the word just can mean something happened a short time ago or only a little bit. Listen carefully to this sentence. I just finished my drawing. Let's say it together, children, slowly. I just finished my drawing. Great reading. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word just, children, clap your hands one time. Are you ready? Just. Children, the next sight word is look. Let's say it together. Look. Again, look. One more time. Look. Wonderful job. Children, the word look means to use your eyes to see something. Listen carefully to this sentence. Look at the big red balloon. Let's say it together slowly. Look at the big red balloon. Amazing. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word look, point to your eyes. Are you ready? Look. Children, look at this word. The word is from. Again, from. One more time, from. Great job. The word from tells us where something starts or comes from. Listen carefully to this sentence, children. I got a gift from my friend. Can we say it together slowly? I got a gift from my friend. Wonderful reading. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word from, point to yourself and then point far away. Are you ready? From. The next word is to. Let's say it together, children. To. Again, to. Wonderful job. The word to can mean also or more than enough. Listen carefully to this sentence, children. I want to play too. Let's say it together slowly. I want to play too. Amazing reading, little stars. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word two, give a big thumbs up. Are you ready? Two. The next word is put. Let's say it together, children. Put. Again, put. Great job. The word put means to place something somewhere. Listen carefully to this sentence. Please put the toy in the box. Let's say it together slowly. Please put the toy in the box. Wonderful reading, little stars. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word put, pretend to place a toy in a box. Are you ready? Get the toys. Are you ready? Put. Children, look at this word. The word is so. Let's say it together. So. One more time. So. Great job, children. The word saw means you saw something with your eyes in the past. Listen carefully to this sentence. I saw a big dog at the park. Let's say it together slowly. I saw a big dog at the park. Wonderful reading, little stars. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word so, point to your eyes like you are seeing something. Are you ready? So, the next word is now. Let's say it together, children. Now. Again, now. One more time. Now. Great job. The word now means at this very moment. Listen carefully, children, to this sentence. We can play now. Let's say it together slowly. We can play now. Wonderful reading, little stars. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word now, clap your hands quickly. Are you ready for that activity? Ready? Now, the next sight word is got. Let's say it together. Got. Again, children. Got. One more time. Got. Great job. The word got means you received or have something. Listen carefully to this sentence. I got a new toy. Let's say it together slowly. I got a new toy. Wonderful reading, little stars. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word got, pretend to hold something in your hands. Are you ready? Got. Today's sight word is help. Can we say it together, children? Help. Again, help. One more time, help. Great job, friends. The word help means to do something kind for someone or make something easier. Listen carefully to this sentence. Can you help me, please? Let's say it together slowly. Can you help me, please? Wonderful reading. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word help, pretend to lend a helping hand. Are you ready? Help. The next word is very. Let's say it together. Very. Again, very. One more time, children. Very. Great job. The word very means something is strong or a lot. Listen carefully to this sentence. The lion is very big. Let's say it together slowly. The lion is very big. Wonderful reading. Now it's activity time. When you hear the word very, stretch your arms wide to show a lot. Are you ready? Very. Great job, little learners. Children, let's review our sight words that we learned today together. Come, just, look, from, to, put, so, now, got, help, very, amazing. Now, let's say them one more time together, children. Come, just, look, from, to, put, so, now, got, help, and very. Fantastic work, children. You are now super readers. Children, don't forget to subscribe to watch and to learn more fun